Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be getting this old custom PC back up and running again. So this computer over here is an older AM3 build, I think, or maybe an AM2 build, I'm not too sure. But yeah, the case is a Lee one. It's pretty good, I guess. It's got a DVD drive, and I think it has a hard drive in it. It's got a pretty good power supply, and yeah, I'm super excited to get this thing back up and running again in this video. So yeah, let's get started, and let's just look under the top panel really quick. So yeah, first impressions, it's got some pretty cool memory inside it. It looks like, what is this? Corsair DDR3 memory. So yeah, I guess it's kind of new, probably AM3 build. It's also got a decent power supply from Cooler Master. Is it modular? Yes, it seems to be modular. Pretty nice. It's also got a DVD drive in it. No hard drive, sadly, which is not a big deal. I have a bunch of extras. And it's got all the SATA cables, which is, I guess, an extra bonus. The motherboard seems to be a micro ATX board from what I can tell, and it's got the AMD stock cooler in it. So yeah, my guess is for the specs it's probably going to be some sort of old FX processor, maybe like an FX 6100 or like an Athlon of some type, maybe in a Phenom, probably like 4 gigs of memory, a 600 watt power supply, it says over there on the power supply, probably, yeah, no hard drive obviously, and just some old DVD drive. So yeah, I guess I'll just like rebuild this whole computer and I'll be right back. After I will just take out the motherboard, clean everything, and just rebuild it. So yeah, I'll just be right back. Okay, so I've got a motherboard out of the PC, and yeah, moment of truth, let's see what CPU is in here. Let's lift up the cooler, and what have we got? We've got an AMD Phenom Ii of some type, which is actually not that bad. It's kind of what I was expecting, some old type of Phenom. But yeah, hopefully I can still run games. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, let's just, I'll just go ahead and finish up this restoration. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished the build. This build was super hard. It took me about, I think, 3.5 hours, so pretty long time for building a PC. And this build is just probably one of the most difficult I've ever done, just because how small this case was and how many cables there were. Like, there were Molex cables, IDE cables, like just a bunch of cables that I had to like manage. And yeah, so here's the build. It's completely done. Hopefully it works. I haven't tested it yet. But yeah, so basically I installed some new memory. It's, I think, 8 gigabytes of HyperX DDR3 memory, which should be much faster and bigger and better, I guess, than this old Corsair stuff. It's only 2 gigs of memory. These two guys, because they're like 1 gig each. And then I'll also put in a WD 1.5 terabyte hard drive, which shouldn't really be the fastest thing, but it's fine for this build, just because I'll be installing Windows 7, and yeah, it's gonna be fine. And I also reapplied the thermal paste, and I just took apart everything, I cleaned it, and yeah, this PC is fully back in order. Hopefully it works, and yeah, let's just go ahead and try it. Let's, I guess, turn it on, and okay, we've got fan spin, heavy got display, I'm hearing some weird sounds, so hopefully it's not that bad. Yes, we have God display. That took a bit, but yeah, there we go. It's posted. Hopefully this PC is like fully working and everything. And I'll just go ahead and install Windows 7 Ultimate. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here's the completed build. It looks really good in my opinion. I absolutely love this case. Like, this Lee case is just super clean, understated. I absolutely love it. And also now the CD drive is working, so kind of cool, I guess. It also came with this random CD inside it. I don't know what it is, but kind of cool, I guess. And yeah, I'll just show you the specs really quick. So this computer's got an AMD Phenom Ii X3 720 at 2.8 GHz, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit, which is pretty cool, I guess. So yeah, like, the drivers still aren't installed or anything, but yeah, so after I finish this video, I'll just go ahead and install the drivers and stuff. And in part 2 of this video, I'll be like doing benchmarks, playing some older games like maybe GTA San Andreas or Minecraft, stuff like that. And yeah, I'm super excited to benchmark this computer. So yeah, I guess that's me for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe down below, and peace.